The last video I made in my YouTube channel here is about how to earn $300 per week as a chat operator, working remotely and without having any experience. You can even work anywhere worldwide. But I was so happy to get this will I call it testimony, or look at these comments. I was so excited to receive comment like this. I found it unbelievable until I landed my first remote job opportunity after watching one of your videos. Wow, I was so happy because my video is actually impacting to people's life. So which means the next one could be you. So which means you can also benefit from some of these online jobs, remote jobs online. You don't need to be struggling all around with your CV or connection or whatever. Especially the one I want to show you right now. It's not about connection. Nobody cares about your papa. Nobody wants to know your mama. All you have to do is for you to wise up, get up, prepare your CV, then come online, then watch my video. That is just what you need. You don't need any other connection than to watch this video and give it a try. You can also testify tomorrow about this. So before I go further on this, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, all I want you to do to help yourself is to hit that subscribe button and give me a like on this video. This too is very, very important. And drop this comment in the comment box. Just see my screen here. That is what I want you to type in the comment box for me, guys. Then I want you to join us on WhatsApp group. I have a special WhatsApp group which I want you to join. You see it, I pin it in the comment box or description box. A WhatsApp group, Telegram channel. Make sure you join us because I'm going to be doing some giveaway, so make sure you join so that you can be updated with my giveaway. I'll be passing information there, guys. So without further ado, guys, if you are ready to get employed online, work remotely, irrespective of your country, make sure you follow this video, watch it from beginning to the end. So without further ado, guys, let's go. So this site is the one I want you to explore about perfectly. I will give you the link to this site. Make sure you watch this video to the end. So now, before you jump straight, I want you to, like, if you are very used to my YouTube channel, you know I don't like applying straightforward. I want you to study through before you apply. Okay, so let me quickly walk you through this site. So once you land yourself in this website, now this is the website that will help you to get a virtual job, that is virtual assistant job worldwide. You can apply for this. So the first thing to do is do not click this one. This one is for anybody that want to hire a virtual assistant. But you now that watching this video, probably you want to work as a virtual assistant to make money from this website. So what you have to do is to click here, this find remote jobs. Click this place, or let me open in that tab here. All right, while we land here, the next thing to do is to click here. This is view all available jobs at 24/7 VA. Let me open it as a tab. We are still going there. The next thing to do is to come down here. You see, work from home, flexibility, competitive rates, regular payouts, free training. They will even give you training. Then look at this one. Join the 24/7 VA talent community. Don't see any job opportunity that match your skills, so you have to fill up this place now, and they will match you to the kind of job that actually match your skills. So you fill your name, then your last name, which is your surname, then your email address, then put your country code. That if you are from Nigeria now, you put +234 or 234, then area code and phone number. Then consent to this, just tick this place now and click on join our community, join our VA community. These are testimonials, so I don't think we need this now. Let me close this. Who are virtual assistants? Who are our virtual assistants? You can read further about this, then join us. Now, before we click on join us, I want us to go through FAQ. If you used to my video training here, you know I don't play with FAQ. That is frequently asked questions. So system specifications, you can read through this kind of system specification needed for this. Then you have to take the test. Very, very important, guys. Take these people take their test. The test will determine the kind of work they will match for you to be working with. So the test is very, very important, and this is the requirement before you take the test. If you are eligible, you have all these things get set, make sure you click on this button and go and do your test. Virtual assistants we hire: administrative virtual assistant, technical virtual assistant, telehealth virtual assistant, e-commerce, podcast, real estate, marketing, construction. We are still going there. I want to show you all the job available now. All right, view all virtual assistant tasks. Let me also open this one now. The virtual assistant application processes: basic skill check, application requirements, initial interview, skill assessment, final interview, client endorsement. View open jobs. Let me still open this one. Now, this is what I want. This one is very, very important, guys. Please make sure you give me your full attention, okay? FAQ simply means frequently asked questions. So let's see, what are the requirements for becoming a 24/7 VA virtual assistant? So you can read further about this. We accept applications from college graduates of any 4 years course. Just read through about this. I don't want to waste time reading this for you guys. Then I just want to show you some very, very important thing, guys. What are your current open positions? How much will I earn? So let me open this one. Your earning will depend on your hourly rate, which is determined by your tier level and your contracting hours. The tier level and rate ranges will be discussed during the initial interview. Your tier level is based on your CV details, specifically your experience and skills, and your 1:1 assessment results. You will know your final tier level after completing the application process. Do you provide training? Yes, we provide several free training programs, both live and self-paced courses for all our virtual assistants. What type of training do you offer? How will I get paid? Do you charge a process fee? Can I be endorsed to work for more than one client, and so on like that? Let me see if there's still more. Okay, how do I apply? This one, let me click on it. How do I apply? Fill out and submit the application form found here. So let me click here. So once we get to this place now, you have to click on this view opening. All right, it's not opening, but there are many ways to apply for this. There are many ways. At least I know up to like 3 means to apply for this one here. So if this one is not working, another method is to, you see this place now, click on the find remote jobs. I told you that I should click it. I think we opened it the other time. Okay, this is not loading. This has failed to load, but I think it's open here. So okay, good. Look at this one. We are trying to open it, but it doesn't open that page. So this one I opened for a long time now. Just now it has bring out all the available job now. So looking for a job now, the next thing to do is you can read through this. We are not just a virtual staffing company. We are your dedicated partner in finding a work from home job that align with your skills, aspirations, and lifestyle. We specialize in connecting virtual assistants with their perfect remote job. Our goal is to empower you to achieve the freedom and flexibility that comes with remote work. Whether you are a seasoned freelancer or an aspiring virtual assistant, we've got you covered. So look at this now. Departments, countries, location, you can select from here or just choose randomly. Just now, based on department, it depends on your own potential, like where you are good at. Is it any department? All this one showing here are any departments. All right. But if you want to narrow it down, you can click on this department in this drop down menu, then select account and bookkeeping, e-commerce, digital marketing, Amazon PPC, generic, administrative, business support, telehealth, IT services, generic, podcast, marketing, virtual assistance, business support, email marketing, real estate, IT analysis, graphic design, video editing, content writing, email marketing, IT development, SEO. So which category are you going for, guys? Okay, are we going for e-commerce or digital marketing or graphic design or video editing or email marketing or business support, or so let me just pick one. Okay, let me go for e-commerce, guys. Then countries, worldwide, Philippines. Okay, it's any country, just let it be like this. Now you can come down, e-commerce, dropshipping, virtual assistant, Amazon listing, virtual assistant, and so on like that. So then if you check, let me check another one, digital marketing also. Then let's still look for graphic design. Presently it's only one job available for graphic design. So for instance, now let me click on this one. It's the part-time job and it's worldwide, then remote worldwide. Let me see another option so that you can see, or let me see any department so that you will see different things. You see the full-time. Okay, this is part-time. So just let you know that they have full-time and they have part-time, right? So accounting support, now let me click on this first one here, worldwide, remote. Okay, part-time, accounting and bookkeeping. Don't worry if you are not accounting student or something like that. You can pick anyone you like. Important note, if you have already passed the 24/7 VA recruitment process after the final interview, or you have, I told you this is what they are referring to. Let me quickly show you. So this is what they are referring to. From here you have to fill in this and join the VA community. So it will start from there. So before then you can click on this join us button here. You see now they still take us back here. So this is the first thing that's very, very important. field. And let me go back, and that is what they are referring to here now. So if you have already passed the 24/7 VA recruitment process after the final interview, or you have been hired by a 24/7 VA client before, make sure that you are applying via the 24/7 team portal. So probably you must have logged in to the platform, you have passed through all these things, you are not just a visitor to the site. For faster process of your application, you will be logging in using your 24/7 VA email address. If you have just logged into the team portal, please continue reviewing the job description below. If you are just logged into the team portal, please continue reviewing the job description below. You don't need to type all the information in the application form. Upload your resume, that's your CV, first, and see the magic. If you're interested in the job, please click apply to position. So they expect us that we have passed through all this process. We have already logged into the website. This website we have logged in. We are not just visiting the site, we have already logged in. So now let's check through. You read through. We should see apply button somewhere. Oh great, I've seen it. So I've been looking for this since. I thought I will see it down here. I think if I use mobile phone, I will see it down here. But using my PC now, I'm seeing the button here, apply to position. So you have to click here, apply to position. So I'm clicking it right now. Let's see. All right, so let me scroll down, upload resume. So this is what they were saying, that we shouldn't bother filling up all these, that we should just prepare our CV. So far we have logged into the portal, we have passed through this thing. When we fill up this, probably through this channel, we have logged into the website, and we just upload our resume from here. So they say once you upload your resume, you see the magic. So probably when you upload the resume, I know this will be automatically fill up, and you're able to click on continue button. So I want you to give this a try, or share it to people or someone you know that really need information like this. Do you have interest to watch more of videos like this on how to make money online or get some kind of job online? You want to watch this video? Do you want to learn about exportation business? Go and watch this video. Do you have interest in free money, free business grants? Go and watch this video. And this is our new video. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye for now.